Hey, so today in this video, we are going to look at how you can basically scrap any website that is LLM ready. Means you can scrap the content of any website that then you can use in your campaigns. Let's say if you are doing a cold outbound where like you want to personalize something on the website data, you can do that. Let's say for example, if you want a specific information from certain types of website, you can do that as well. Just with this particular tool that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to also show you how you can basically set up a system in N8N using this particular tool that will basically help you to scrap anything on the website itself. If you are excited, let's get straight into the video. This is the website called Firecrawl, and by using this particular tool, we can basically turn your website into LLM ready data, right? Basically, what this tool can do is basically it can scrap the your whole website. It can scrap a single page as well, and also let's say if you want to scrap anything specific from the website, you can do that as well using their AI integration, where you just need to type a prompt that okay, hey, you want to extract this particular information from the website, and then it actually generate the parameters on the go, create the prompt as well, and then if that data is available on that website or the certain types of website, it basically scrap that data and then give it to you for the further use, right? Also basically the first step, let's look at the pricing as well. Again, this is the open source tool, so basically you can self-host this particular tool on your own server. You can deploy that as well. There's a guide for that. That's if you don't want that sort of a hustle and anything, you can use their cloud version, which is going to give you 500 credit in a free plan. Again, there's a basically a premium or paid plan which starts from like $16 a month. Let's say if you opt for a yearly plan. If you just want to stay on the monthly plan, it starts from like $19 a month. Let's put everything aside and then sign up to this tool, and let's use this tool in the N8N itself. So the first thing that I'll do is like basically sign out from my account. And again, if you want unlimited usage of this particular tool, what you can do, I'll show you the way as well. So first thing that you will do is like go to temp-mail.org, where you can find temporary email addresses, right? Let me see if I have signed up on from this account or not, but let's try this particular account for the signing up on the okay, on this particular platform. Let's sign up here, put that one, taste at the red, yeah, okay. Oh, oh, nice. Okay, so I think I already have an account on this one. So now let me change the email address. Let me use another service, another temp mail. Okay, and yeah, let's again sign up on this account. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now we have got the email. Let's close this one, and yeah. So we've got the email. Let's just click on this particular link, and once we'll yeah. So now we have signed up for the Firecrawl, where basically you just need to fill this form again. Sorry, Firecrawl, because I'm not going to give you my actual information. Right. Next, SEO. Oh, okay. Agree to that terms and conditions. And yeah, we are good to go. We have got somewhere around like 500 credit for Crowl, and extract token we've got is like 5 lakhs tokens. So now the very next thing that you should do is like basically let's open the playground and then see how it works. So first of all, let me put a website to show you how it works actually. So as you can see, there are four options in the playground. First is single URL scrap, another one is crawl. So what's the difference between all of them? The single URL means, let's say if you put this databox.com, it only get the content of this particular URL only, not any other URL on the website, on the same website. If you put it under the crawl, so basically it will crawl all the pages that are there on this particular domain, databox.com, right? And if you, let's say, do a map, it actually try to give you output in very less time. And extract, it is one of the most powerful feature that you can have on this particular tool. Let's look at everything one by one. So let's see if I put URL databox.com, there are few options that you can choose. Let's say if you want to exclude some tags, or if you want to wait for some time, you can do that as well. Let's say if you don't want to don't want to basically extract headers and footer, you can take this one. And also let's run, click on this run button, and then now it is basically scraping the content of this particular page only, and then it gives you output in like two format. One is markdown, another one is JSON response. In whichever format you want the output, you can take it and you can use it further, right? And then as you can see, it is actually in a readable format, so basically a real human can read this output. And if real human can read this, you can feed this output in the AI models, and you can basically get really useful, helpful, and valuable data out of this, right? So yeah, this is how you can use the single URL. Let's say I'm not going to use crawl because it is going to eat a lot of credits of mine. And yeah, so now the another thing that you can do is basically you can find a lot of things using this particular extract function. Let's say if you want to find a CEO name or the email address of the CEO for this particular website, you can do that as well. Let me show you that. Find a CEO of the databox.com. It just if you just type that, and then if you click on this generate parameters, it will take a few seconds and it generates the parameters, right? Here as you can see, http databox.com/star, which means it will basically scrape all the pages on the website, and it will try to find the information that exactly we need, like the name of the CEO from the website. Now let's say if you want to enable the web search, it will go to the search engines and try to find that information that we put out in the prompt, right? And now let's run this and then see. So basically, let's say if, now I hope like you can see that it found the CEO name, which is in this case is Devorin, which is who's the like CEO of the databox.com, right? So again, there are few errors in the output again, but again, it actually found what we needed. So yeah, that is the extract feature of this particular tool. Now let's see how we can basically integrate this file crawl in the N8N instance. So basically, I already have set up the workflow here, and let me basically show you this. So now first step is like we need file crawl integration. So there are two ways of achieving that. Let's say if you have, like, let's say if you know like how to set up the APIs and everything in the N8N using HTTP node, you can do that as well. But again, if you don't want to get into that, you can what you can do basically you can go to settings, not like this. Let me come over here. Okay. So what you can do basically you can go to settings, and under the settings you can go to this community nodes. Like if you have self-hosted N8N, and under the community node, what you can do, click on install, and from here you can click on this browse button, right? And here what you just need to basically write firecrawl, and you will find this particular instance. Copy this and just paste it here, and that's it, right? And then click on this and then install this. So once you are done with that, it will appear here, and then that means that you have installed the community node, firecrawl node in your self-hosted N8N, right? Once you are done with that, close this one and go to this one, and here you just need to click on plus, type for let's say firecrawl, and you will find that, right? And click on that, and then you just need to basically click on this particular action, which is grab URL and get its content. So this is the workflow that you will find this workflow in the description box below. Just click on that link and then download this workflow and then use it in your own way. Again, I'll make another video where you can find how you can basically use this tool to basically empower your code outbound campaigns, and then basically hit the 3 or 4% reply rates in your campaign. I'll show you how you can basically exactly do that, because we are using this particular tool since a very long time, and we are getting some really amazing results with it, right? So once you're done with once you'll edit this node, what you can do, very simple. You just need to enter the URL for which you want to get content for, right? And then again, you can basically select the format, in which format you need the output. You can basically, let's say for example, if you want it in like let's say extract format, and if you click on this one, oh, okay, I think I need to basically copy my API key. Let me do that. Okay, let's copy the API key and click on this authentication. And so basically, I have added new credential for Firecrawl, and then now let's test this particular node and then see if we can get the results or not. Yeah. So now as you can see, we've got the content, the text content from the website page, and let's say if we run this entire workflow. So now let's run this entire workflow. Let's delete this, save this one, and click on this taste workflow, and then see what exactly we'll get from this. So now see what we have got in the output. So as you can see, this is the content of the website, and this is like in the markdown format right now. But again, you can easily feed this data to LLM, and you can basically get any type of output that you want from this particular data. Let's say, for example, if you want to get some sort of information around what exactly they are doing, in which industry they are into, and what exactly they are catering to, what are the features, what are the solutions that they are offering to their target market. And then based on the website content, if you want to get which kind of customers they are like catering to, you can get all of this information using the website content. And like there are so many use cases that you can find out with this particular one tool, and you can use that in very creative ways as well. So yeah, I think that's all about this particular video. If you want this particular system in your, if you want this particular system, click the link in the description box where you will find the template completely for free, and you can download that as well. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you found this video really helpful, like this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel, because